So the first thing we're going to do is go in with this Morphe x Maddie Imagination palette, which is amazing. The formulation is so good. I'm going to take the shade Latte and just blend that all into my crease and then start making the shape. I just want to bring it out a little bit. And then I'm just going to keep darkening it, just keep going in. I think I went in with the shade ASAP also. And I just made it a little bit darker, and like I said, I am making the shape. Then I'm blending it out with the shade Kenny, which has basically become my most used shade in the palette. And I'm just going to make sure I blend that out so it's nice and seamless, and like you can see, it's a little bit bright. So I just want to blend it out. This is a clean blending brush just to make sure everything looks nice and blended and seamless. Then I'm taking the Life's a Drag palette, and I'm taking the shade Cake Face, and I'm going to put it on my brow bone. Then I'm taking, I think this is the Fenty Pro Filter Concealer, but you could just take any concealer, and I'm just going to be cutting my crease all the way to the end, and then I'm just going to start filling it in, making sure that crease is very nice and sharp, and then I fill it in, and I think I set it with a little bit of Cake Face. And then I'm going with this tiny brush with the shade ASAP, just to make sure that this line is nice and crisp, because sometimes the concealer can kind of get in the way of that. Then I'm taking the shade ASAP on this small brush and basically making eyeliner with it. I'm going to put it all over and bring it almost to the edge of the top. And then I'm going in with the shade Kenny again, and I'm going to keep blending it just so it is nice and seamless. Count how many times I could say seamless in this video, but I really do just want it to be nice and blended, because that's the whole point of the look, is to have it be a double cut crease. Then I'm taking this glitter from Ulta. It was just a set that I got. I don't think it really even has a name on it. And then I'm taking this glitter from Amazon, honestly, that I got. I got a whole bunch of glitters, and it just matched this really well. So I'm taking that with a tiny brush and putting it on my cut crease. And then these are the Lily lashes in the shade in the style Boston. And I put those on really quick. And then I put ASAP all over my lower lash line, and I'm smoking it out. Putting Cake Face from Life's a Drag in my inner corner. Then I'm taking the BFF2 lip liner from ColourPop, and I'm lining my lips. And then I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Bittersweet, which is probably my favorite shade, especially for fall. It is beautiful. It is such a nice shade for fall and even the winter time, and it honestly paired really well with this look, as you can see. And that's it for this tutorial, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a nice fall, and I'll see you next time. Bye.